Hi there, my name is Dillion Megida, and you probably see more of my code screen more than you see my face on my videos. I'm a Nigerian and I'm currently located in the Netherlands. And the purpose of this video is I just wanted to say thank you, 800 plus of you, for, subscribing to my YouTube channel. It comes with so much fulfillment that the videos that I share on here, people like it and they also subscribe because they want to see more videos like that. Be it on JavaScript, be it on HTML, be it on CSS, be it on whatever it is. So I want to say thank you for your engagement on my videos, for liking my videos, for subscribing. And I really hope that in 2023 I get to also share more value and more knowledge with you. I have been making videos on JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I have one video on Python, and I think I have videos on Next.js. I have videos on a couple of tools I don't even remember anymore. Well, in 2023, I'm also going to be making a bunch of videos. JavaScript, definitely. You're also going to see videos on Python. You're also going to see videos on hopefully Java, because I recently started learning Java, and when I learn stuff, I like sharing them with people. So you most likely find videos on Java also. I've also been learning Bash scripting recently, and I'm not very good at it yet, but don't be surprised if you see videos on it. In fact, you will most likely see videos on it. But anyways, in 2023, I intend to share more videos. I intend to share valuable content, be it around the biggest things, the biggest topics, the biggest tutorials, even down to the smallest things like what is this in HTML, what is that in CSS, what is this, that in Java or in Python. I intend to share all of this, and I really hope that my videos continue to stay relevant to you, they continue to stay helpful to you. And I also want to say this, that if you have topics you'd like me to address, don't hesitate to let me know. You can leave them in the comments of my videos. Just let me know this particular topic, can you make a video on it? I know there are going to be a bunch of requests that I may not be able to attend to all at once, but I'll do my best to attend to the ones I can as soon as I can. Once again, thank you for seeing me through my YouTube journey, because I just created this channel this year, I think sometime in March, or I can't remember actually, but it's nice to see how much I have grown and how I've been able to share a lot of value in my own way, in my own style, on my own platform, with my own tools, with my own microphone, with my own cameras and everything. It's nice to see how I have been able to grow in this journey. So thank you for the support so far, and I hope I keep sharing more value that you would love and benefit from in 2023. One more thing before the end of this video: if you have any favorites of all the videos I have made on my YouTube channel, one that you love the most, where I probably did the best teaching, or you could understand everything I said, whatever classifies as best or favorite for you, if you have any of that, please just let me know in the comment section as a Christmas gift to me. I would really appreciate that. I hope you've had a great Christmas season, and Merry 2023.